Hey guys, John, Vapor Rolling Technologies. Today is, I have no idea. Today is May the 19th. It's going on about 7 or 8 weeks from the initial coronavirus pandemic. We have been working since the very first announcement. We were sent a couple letters in the mail from some very big aerospace companies that we worked for, and we were labeled as essential finally. We have been working diligently. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update though, from before the pandemic to after the pandemic. We were on a breakout year, the first quarter of this year. And we're finally steaming and picking steam up again and picking back up, I think, because people are so ready to get out of their homes and get back to work. And we've seen a lot of customers, some of the smaller guys that are doing this as a serious hobby or just a hobby. They've stayed working the whole time, obviously, since they've been home. So we've been obviously selling to them and providing them some service and some product. The bigger companies, same thing. They're still running, they're still operating. But overall, I think worldwide as a whole, and this goes for every company out there, everybody's felt, you know, obviously a huge impact on their business. I think we were down like 75%. From what we originally are, you know, or were. But that's all changed. It's all picking back up. Everything's been good. I mean, everybody here in the company has been positive. Yeah, some people had to go home. That's just the way life is, unfortunately, sometimes. Those people that went home, some of them are back, and that's the good news. And I hope that if you're watching this, you are going back to work as well, because we know how important that is for America. I think this is the most interesting time I've ever seen. Obviously, I'm only 32 years old, so it's not like I've seen something like this before. But I mean, nobody's seen anything like this before. Let's face it. It's totally unique, and you know, as talking to other business owners, how do you combat that? Like, how do you change that? How do you prepare for this? You don't, you know, you just have to make your business as strong as it possibly is. And that's where we're at today. Thanks to all you guys that are watching. We have one of the strongest businesses out there in the wet blasting market, in the vapor honing market, and we are growing to be the market leader. That is the goal, and that is what will happen. So just that quick update, everything's moving along quickly now, and we're excited to see what's coming in the next few weeks. We have some big projects that we're releasing, and you guys need to stay tuned for that. A lot of new products that we've developed over the last couple months, even before the coronavirus outbreak. So if you guys enjoy what you're seeing, always make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and thank you as always for watching, and stay safe. Take care.